Welcome to our channel Best GIS Tutorial. Today lecture is about how to download climate data such as temperature, precipitation and humidity. So first open Google browser. Now here search Power Access Climate Data. After that you will see this interface and click on Power Data Access Viewer, NASA Power. After that you will face this interface. Welcome to the Power Data Access Viewer. Just click on Access Data and now go to this window dialog box. Here is the power signal point data access. Choose the user community. There are three types of user community: SSE, renewable energy, sustainable buildings, and archaeoclimatology. Just click on SSE, renewable energy. And number second, choose a temporal average. There are three types of temporal average on daily basis or interannual or climatology. Just click on interannual. After that you will choose a location for which you need to the data. Just search your location or your area of interest. Now let's suppose I need to the data of this location. When you find your study area location, then pick this point, go here and pick this point and click on your study area on the map. You can see that the point is marked, and here also you can see that the latitude and longitude data of my study area are picked. Now, and selection time extent, you can choose the date from which you want to need this data. The data is available from 1981 to 2019. Let's suppose I need the data from 1994 and my end date is 1920. Here you can select or choose the file in which format you want to need this data. I select CSV. After that, choose the parameter. For meteorology, I need precipitation data. Check this precipitation, and also need surface pressure. And meteorology, again I need the temperature at 2 meter, and in the wind I need the wind speed at 10 meter. If you don't know the definition of this parameter, then just click on parameter definition. Here you can choose the parameter which you want to need the definition of parameter. Let's suppose I need the definition of minimum or maximum wind at the speed of 10 meter. Here is the definition of maximum wind speed at 10 meter. This is the definition. So if you want to know the definition of parameter, then you can define it by definition parameter. Just click on it here. Just click on parameter definition. You will go to the another window dialog box. Here all the definition of parameter are available. When you select these parameter, and at the end you will submit the end process. Here click on submit. Here you can see that the output file is CSV. I choose CSV file in my output, so click on this CSV and wait for a while. The data will be downloaded. Here open this data. Now you can see that I download this data from Power Access Data NASA. You can see that this is the latitude and longitudinal value, and here the parameter, and here is the year wise data, and this is also available in monthly wise, and at the end you can see that an annual data is also available. Now you can familiar yourself with the parameter like protect or tm T2M. If you want to understand that T2M, what is T2M, then go to here, and T2M is the temperature at 2 meter data. This is the interface by which you familiar with yourself with this data. I hope you learn this method and will work on it.